If you grew up in the 90s like me, you probably remember tearing into fruit roll-ups. Turns out, making them at home is way easier than you'd think, and all you need are 3 ingredients: frozen berries, sugar, and a little lemon or lime juice. Start by preheating your oven to as low as it can go. Mine is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a pot, add 600 grams frozen mixed berries, or any fruit you like. This mixture is quite tart, so we're going to add 200 grams of sugar to start. Next, squeeze in about 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime juice. This helps retain the color. Turn your stove onto a medium heat. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes, making sure you stir occasionally. Once our fruit is nice and soft, we can remove it from the heat. I'll be using an immersion blender for this next step, but you can also use a blender or food processor if you don't have one. We're looking for a smooth consistency. This next step is optional, but worth it if you don't like seeds stuck in your teeth. If you're using a fine mesh strainer like this one, you will need to use a spatula to force the juice through. Give your mixture a taste to see if it's sweet enough for you. If not, you can add a little bit more sugar and heat it back up. Now, take 2 8x10 trays and line them with parchment paper or a silicone pad. Portion out your mixture evenly between both trays. We are looking for a thickness between 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. The thicker it is, the longer it will take to dehydrate. Spread out the mixture, making sure to get it into the corners. Give it a few taps to get out any air bubbles. Bake until it's dry to the touch. Anywhere from 5 to 9 hours, depending on your oven and thickness. It's been a little under 7 hours. Let's check on them. It's still a little tacky. Another hour or 2 in the oven wouldn't hurt, but let's try to remove it from the parchment anyways. If it's still sticking, you can also place it into the freezer for 15 minutes to help firm it up. Let's transfer it over to some wax paper. Time to roll it up. Fold over the wax paper and roll it tight. Slice into strips and store in an airtight container. If you like this video, here's another one that YouTube thinks you'll like as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.